Hey, we got a reverse holo trainer into our rare, a Gyarados V. Let's go! Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Pokemon Glaceon VStar Special Collection. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see our Black Star promo cards. We got the oversized Glaceon VStar right here. Looks really nice. What a cool card. I love the jumbo ones. Next, you can see our regular Glaceon VStar Black Star promo. And then you can see our Glaceon V Black Star promo. Our online code card, our VStar acrylic marker. And then you can see our 5 included packs. So we have 2 Fusion Strike packs with 10 cards each. You can see different pack arts right there. 2 Evolving Sky packs right here with 10 cards each. And then 1 Chilling Rain pack right here. Now let's go ahead, let's open up our packs. All right, so we got our lucky cards set up here, and we're gonna be opening our first pack out of 5, and we have 2 Evolving Skies packs. So let's go ahead, let's get that first one opened up right here. Do our card trick. See our energy. What are we going to pull in this pack? We will find out. A lot of trainers. Scraggy. Dagon. Hey, Sharpedo. Let's go. So that's a reverse holo rare. I love the double rare packs. Into a Thievul. You can see rare non-holo, but we got a reverse holo rare. That looks pretty cool. Sharpedo. All right, 1 pack down, 4 to go. Our second and last Evolving Sky pack right here. What are we going to pull out of this pack? We can get it open here. No peeking. Time for our card trick. All right, so we got our energy. Another energy. I treasure that one. Trainer. Oh, cool. That's a cool looking Pokemon. Lillipup. Nickit. Bergmite. Hey, we got a reverse holo trainer. Into our rare, a Gyarados V. Let's go. Look at that card. So cool. 2 down, 3 to go. We're opening up our first Fusion Strike pack. Alrighty, what do we got? Our energy, trainer, Primeape, Clefiki, Trubbish, Totodile, Phantrump, Snorlax, Clefiki again, reverse holo into a Galarian Crusola, non-holo rare. 3 down, 2 to go, and our final Fusion Strike pack. Can we pull that Gengar? Can we pull the Gengar? That's the question here. That would be so exciting. Croconaw. Sparkly. Beware. Dewpider. Meowth. Onix. Shroomish. Choodle. I don't know how to say this one. Togedemaru. Togedemaru reverse holo into a Sandaconda V. A Sandaconda, excuse me. Sandaconda V. Rare. That's pretty cool. What a good looking card. Sandaconda V. Let's go. All right, last pack here and our only Chilling Rain. So we're going to get some last pack magic. Let's find out. No peeking. All right, here we go. What are we going to pull here? Can we get a legendary bird? That's all we want. I've never pulled one out of all the Chilling Rain packs that I've opened. Is today going to be the day? Is the drought over? I like the Lapras. Cool looking card. All right, Brawly. Brawly Reverse Holo. Trainer into a Zapdos. We pulled one. No way. Let's go. A Glaceon Zapdos V. Look at how cool that bird looks. We finally pulled a legendary bird. Some capacity out of these all the Chilling Rain packs we've opened. Let's go. So here's a look at all of our pulls. Check it out. We did great. Obviously, everybody's going to get the 3 Black Star promos, but you can see our rares and our reverse holos right here. So we got 5 reverse holos, 6 rares. The most valuable one, it's going to be a tie at the top. Basically, they're each worth about $2 each ungraded. My favorite one out of the bunch is definitely our Gyarados V. This is just a really cool looking card. I really like how this looks. Honorable mention is definitely our Zapdos V. This is the first legendary bird I've been able to pull out of a Chilling Rain pack, so I'm emotionally invested into this card. And then an honorable mention for our Lapras. So great to see an OG Pokemon, even if it's only a common, which is sad. Originally, he was a rare, so he got demoted. But overall, a lot of fun opening up all the cards and the packs. Great set. Obviously, I want to encourage you, if you don't see the card here that you want, that's great news for you. That means you're going to pull it.